August 8th, and I just got a few minutes with y'all. Let's get into it. This video is for the creation of RSVP buttons. Those buttons have codes in them, which you insert in Klaviyo, SendGrid, or MailChimp. Those codes allow you to insert a call to action button that essentially a person clicks and gets a calendar invite. How you do that is through a step process, and I'm going to run you through the steps. First step is to basically build the event in your personal or business calendar, send it to us, createacalendarsnack.com. Your personal calendar essentially is the function engine, if you will, to data inside the service itself. So when you send a createacalendarsnack.com event to our box, we disassemble it and get it ready for the buttons. And if you need to change or cancel the data, use the same calendar event and basically just do that. You can update it or cancel it and it goes away. It's that simple. This box basically, once you send data to it, we send you back the organizer of the event of the calendar client. In this case here, at the bottom, Greg Hansen at 31 Events is the same between the calendar client and then basically the email. Obviously, I'm using a Google account, and same with Outlook. Your organizer status is the same across email and your calendar. So that means that when I send it to the Create service, Greg's going to get a organizer notification right here, and he just did. The calendar snack is ready. I click into it, and then essentially I go into this box here, which is the calendar snack engine. There's a sign up process you can go through, and then you gain access to the dashboard itself. So these commands continually can communicate with the service, and when you communicate with the service on a new create or cancel, you're going to see that display information in the dashboard. So once you get into the dashboard itself, you're going to go to RSVP button to get the code. Go to MailChimp in this example. You're going to pick out which redirected landing page you want, and then you're going to take your code from the code engine of the RSVP button. You're going to go down through your events. If you have multiple events, you'll just pick one in your selector under RSVP button, which I did here. I grabbed the code for MailChimp. I inserted it into a MailChimp campaign. There's two call to action buttons here. And when it got sent out here, as I show you here in the dashboards for MailChimp, I sent it out, and a actor in the receipt list for MailChimp was Zach. He received it, and then he clicked one of these buttons here, and he was sent to a redirected landing page here, which was pre-selected by you, the organizer, and then he responded to a calendar invitation for the Dodgers versus the Cardinals. And then as he changes his mind, if he moves these buttons around, we actually collect the data, MailChimp data tracking of calendar invite RSVPs in the organizer event dashboard here. So as he changes his mind, we actually collect that data in here. You can see that was a MailChimp driven game, and then you can see the number of updates down here. We just did one for the game. That's it. That's the end of the campaign discussion. Thanks for stopping by.